Hello friends, healthy, nourishing and vegan sesame pomegranate chocolate tart is perfect for holiday entertaining. First of all, we will make simple and low-fat crust by using sesame crunch, digestive biscuits, pumpkin seed, chia seed and Biscoff spread. This recipe is so simple and delicious. Your kids and family gonna love it. Simply stir all the ingredients together until well combined and then press into a tart pan. Bake the tart crust for 5 to 7 minutes to make it more crunchy. While the crust is baking, we will prep the chocolate ganache filling with milk chocolate and Nutella spread. Spread the ganache all over the tart and let it cool in refrigerator for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the ganache is set, pour some pomegranate arils to make it more busty in your mouth with every bite. Don't forget to like and share. Subscribe for more upcoming amazing recipes soon. Bye bye.